Hello everyone, this is the Riddling Rabbi, number 17, and as is our custom, let's start with number 16. I asked two questions. Number one, what is the longest span of time that it will be Shabbos around the world? We all know that if, say, in Israel it's Shabbos, California is 10 hours behind Israel. You can well imagine that New Zealand could be at times 11 hours ahead of Israel, and therefore it's almost impossible that indeed it's going to be Shabbos everywhere in the world. But there is a specific time span, about 4.5 hours per year. And that is when in Honolulu, at about 5:50 is sunset on a Friday. Eastern Standard Time, that's already 10:50. For about 4.5 hours, it's going to be Shabbos everywhere before they make Havdalah in Auckland, New Zealand. So Auckland, New Zealand is the first in the world to be signed and sealed for a good year at the end of Yom Kippur. They are the first to make Havdalah on any given week. And indeed, there's going to be 4 hours where it will be Shabbos everywhere. 4 hours where no emails, God willing, will be coming in, simply because it's Shabbos everywhere. Or to be more precise, no emails, with the hope that no one will be writing it on Shabbos. Number two, the longest span of Yomei Kedusha is coming up, God willing, in a few months. Thursday, Friday, Shabbos, known as a 3-day Yom Tiv, will be our legacy on Rosh Hashanah everywhere in the world, not just outside of Israel, but even in Israel, we do 2 days of Rosh Hashanah. During that time, it will be the longest span in which the entire world will be in Yemei Kedusha, in days of holiness, in which we have all the restrictions and all the positive commandments, simply because we've bunched together 3 days. Moving on to Riddling Rabbi number 17, here is the question. Can there be a situation in which for 7 consecutive weeks at Mincha and Shabbos, we will first skip and then say Tzidkot Tzedek? At the end of Mincha and Shabbos, we always say Tzidkot Tzedek because that was the time that Moshe Rabbeinu was indeed taken from us and died. And therefore we say Tzidukatin, like we do at a funeral. But it's a short one, 3 very, very short verses. We skip it when we don't say Tachnun. Can there be a scenario where for 7 consecutive weeks, we skip, we say, we skip, we say, we skip, we say, we skip? Looking forward to your answers.